I am Dr. Deepchand Raja. We have conducted a live electrophysiology workshop. This is a second of its kind this year that is being conducted at the Kauvery Hospitals, Chennai at Alwarpet.
Hello all, I am Dr. Rakesh Dubba, consultant electrophysiologist at Care Hospital, Visakhapatnam.
Good morning everyone, I am Dr. Krishna Prasad.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Saravanan from KG Hospital, Coimbatore.
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sridhar from Pondicherry.
Thank you sir, thank you Deepchand Raja sir for organizing such a wonderful program on EAF ablation and giving us hands-on experience.
All these sessions gave us a good insight into intracardiac echo, also on AF ablations. Let us hope this is the first of many more to come.
So I take this opportunity to stress the importance of electrophysiology as a part of heart rhythm week awareness.
Thank you.